life is hard, yeah. It can bring a lot of fears. And life is sad, yeah. It can bring a lot of tears. But like the sun after it rains, you can stand up again. Just be who you want to see, and my God, He'll answer. Leave the rest to me. 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 When life seems to get you down, and you're scrambling for solid ground, when it's dark and gloomy everywhere, and you just can't imagine getting back out there, just scream, help me, and my God, He'll answer. Leave the rest to me. 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 I tried to do it on my own. Then I saw that I was alone. I couldn't help but cry when you walked up by my side, and you were guiding me with a nod and helping me with your rod, showing me your unfailing love. And you were singing, leave the rest to me. 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 Lord, please help me, because you're worthy. Lord, please help me, because I need thee. Lord, please help me, because you're holy. Lord, please help me, because you love me. Life is hard. It can bring a lot of fears. Life can be sad, yeah. It can bring a lot of tears. But like the sun after it rains, like the sun, you will rise up. Like God's Son, you will rise up again.